Hi guys, this is Dr. Srinivas. Welcome to my channel. So we all know today that most of the world is in a crucial and in a pandemic situation due to COVID. So what is the impact of COVID? Why people are losing their life because of COVID? So when a people's affects due to COVID, their respiratory organ gets affected. So why it's affected? Because they are getting the lack of adequate oxygen. So how we are going to increase the oxygen level to the corona patients, COVID patients and the normal patients. It is not meant that only COVID patients should increase their oxygen level, even any can do it, okay. So we are going to do it with the acupressure technique, how to increase the oxygen level, okay. So it is a very and simple technique to increase the oxygen level, not only the oxygen level, even any type of problem. And there's no any age limitations for this type of treatments. Anyone can do it, from kids to the older people, anyone. So now how we are going to do it? This is an acupressure technique, olden Tamil traditional technique and not an Chinese technique, okay. Now take any hand, inside your palm you will be finding this big portion between your thumb and the big line. This represents your lung, okay, lungs, heart, and this is your windpipe. We used to say as trachea. So in this big portion, that is the portion which represents your lungs and heart, here you have to give pressure, just gently, okay, not in a very hard or medium pressure. If you just give a gentle pressure, it's enough. When you are giving the gentle pressure and you feels the pain, just try to give the medium pressure and cure it, okay. And if you feels a very worst pain in a medium or gentle pressure, don't hesitate it, please go to the doctor, okay, to the hospital immediately. So when you give the gentle pressure and if you feel the pain, it's meant that you were going to, or you are almost affected from the lung problem. So what type of lung problem this type of pressure can cure? Anything. First of all, as per now in this pandemic situation, it increases the oxygen level. Secondary, wheezing, asthma, cold, even a cancer. But for cancer and all, you have to take an additional treatment. You have to go to hospital. This is what the treatment what I tell you is for an acute problem, not for a chronic problem. For chronic problem, you have to go and see doctor. And this technique, what I am telling you, by giving the acupressure in this portion, is for now to increase your oxygen level. Who can do it? Can a COVID patient can do it? We can do it for COVID patient. Exactly, you can do it for COVID patient. How can we do it? And another one thing I want to tell you, don't hesitate to go to hospital if you find that COVID is in positive. When you are in the hospital or when you are affected from COVID, this treatment is an additional treatment, okay. This is not a main treatment in this pandemic situation, okay. This is an additional treatment for increasing your oxygen level. Another one more thing, you can ask, if a normal person can do it, yeah, other persons, those who are not suffering from COVID also can do it. But in this situation, it is a preventive treatment. The person who is affected from the COVID is an additional treatment for them, this technique, okay, this acupressure technique. A person who is not affected from the COVID, this is a preventive technique. Just you give pressure, okay, just keep on giving pressure. Every day you will be finding some difference. If you have a light pain, you feels pain in this portion, day by day you will be feeling the difference, and you can do it anytime. There's no any time limit also. You can do it anytime, morning, evening, when you are watching the TV, when you are sitting idle, anytime you can do it. Even you can give this pressure for your kids also. So it is a very good treatment in this pandemic situation, and I hope this information will be very useful for you. Please share it to your loved ones, your friends and everyone, and save them from COVID. Hope you would have been enjoying this video, and I will be meeting you with another very interesting treatment. Thank you.